Hi everyone! In this screencast, we'll be looking at the Interest Profiler Assessment. If you have a Utah Futures account, you'll want to log into it prior to starting the assessment so you will be able to save your results. To find the assessment, you'll click on the Assessments and Activities tab on the main navigation menu and then click on Interest Profiler. The Interest Profiler helps you identify your interest and how they relate to careers you may want to explore. There are two ways that you can use the Interest Profiler. Both ask the same number of questions. The traditional option asks one question at a time and is a little more visual. The Quick Assessment shows you all of the survey questions at once. You can still rate them strongly like to strongly dislike, and I would suggest that you use the unsure very sparingly. The system can get a better idea of your interests if you actually have an opinion. So I'm going to take just a minute and answer the rest of the questions, and then we'll get to the results. So when you're finished taking the assessment, click on View Results. The Interest Profiler results are Holland codes, or also known as the RASEC personality types. That's RIASEC personality types. The higher the score in a certain category, the more likely it fits your interests. So at this point, your results are not saved. Down here you have a few options before saving your results. You can start over if you're not happy with the results, or you can review your responses if you want to make a few changes or a few adjustments to your results. You may have found that you used unsure a little too frequently, or you would like to just change your opinion from strongly like to like on a few different items. So by clicking the review responses, you're going to see the quick survey of all of the questions. Even if you took the traditional method, you'll still see the quick, but it is your answers from all of the questions. And then you can go through and you can make some adjustments where you need to. And then again, click on View Results. If you're ready to save, then you're going to answer the two questions at the bottom, and then click Finish. We give you one last chance to add some comments, and then click Save. Your assessment is now saved to your timeline. To view your assessment, if you click on your timeline up here at the top, you'll be able to see your assessment. If it doesn't show up right away, then go ahead and click on the refresh button at the top of the screen before clicking on your timeline. So I would like to take just a few minutes and show you how you can use these results. So I'm going to click on my highest rated category, which in this case is artistic. When I select a category, it will return a list of occupations from within that Holland code group. You can use this number line down here at the bottom to view all of the occupations. From this page, you can also sort the careers by title, by wage, or by education. To further explore a career, just click on the name of the career. To save this career to your workspace, you can click on the gray star on the top right corner. Then select OK. When the gray star turns yellow, now it's saved to your account. To go back to your occupation list, click on the back button. And this will take you back to your occupation search results. To go back to your assessment results, just click the back button one more time, and now you're back to your Interest Profiler results. So to give you an idea of how I use the Interest Profiler with my students, I'm going to take just a few minutes to walk you through the process that I would use when starting at an assessment with my students. From the results, I would have them click on their highest rated category, and then I would have them select a career that they're interested in. From here, I would have them explore and learn more about the occupation. And once they've landed on one that they're interested in, I would have them select a program of study. So in this case, I've selected advertising salesperson, and I would like to major in advertising. So I click on the advertising programs of study, and this takes me to the advertising programs page. Again, I can select the gray button to save it to my account. And in this case, I already have advertising saved to my account, so it's already yellow. By selecting a program of study, I can find out what colleges and universities offer my program, and I can also look at related programs of studies and related occupations. If I click on Utah Colleges and Universities, I'm now looking at a list of local colleges that offer my program. You have to remember from the Programs of Study page, the colleges that are listed are colleges that offer some kind of a degree or a certification in that program. It's not just that they offer a class in advertising, it's that you can actually get a degree in advertising. From here, I can click on a school and learn more about that college to determine if it's a good fit for me. Once again, I can save this college to my account by clicking on the gray star and turning it yellow. So at this point, we have a few items saved to our account. To find this information, I can click on my name in the top right-hand corner and then click on Home, or I can click on the compass and then click on My Workspace. Those two links will both take you to the same place. From here, to view my saved occupations, I will click on My Occupations, and then I can click Manage My Occupations. By clicking on the name of the occupation, I will be taken to the occupation results page. The same is true for my schools and my scholarships or my programs of study. So that's about it for the Interest Profiler. Thanks.